Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add lighting in Gacha. First, open your Gacha Life or Gacha Club app and navigate to the studio mode. Good lighting dramatically enhances your character's appearance and the overall scene. You'll find various light sources within the game's editing tools. Familiarize yourself with these options to begin transforming your creations. Mastering the basics is the first step to stunning visuals. Next, focus on where you place your lights. Strategic positioning can make your character pop, drawing attention to key features. Adjusting the angle of your light source creates interesting shadows, adding depth and dimension to your scene. Don't be afraid to use more than one light. Combining them allows for intricate and visually rich compositions. Play around to see what works best. Now, let's talk about color and intensity. The color of your light can instantly change the mood, from a warm, inviting glow to a cool, mysterious aura. Adjusting the intensity controls how bright or dim your light appears, impacting the overall contrast. Mixing different colors and intensities opens up a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to craft truly unique visual effects. Be creative with your choices. Finally, here are some advanced tips for your Gacha lighting. Think about how your background interacts with your lights. Sometimes, subtle background lighting can make a big difference. Always consider the entire composition, ensuring your lighting complements the scene, not distracts from it. The more you practice, the better you'll become at creating stunning, professional-looking Gacha edits. Keep experimenting and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.